You guys know I get mesmerized, but do I actually live here? So last night, Delink convinced me to park in the 5-minute pickup only parking. So it's kind of a moment of truth. Aha, there you are. It was the longest 5 minutes of my life. I mean, it had to have only been 5 minutes. Otherwise, I would have been towed, right? Honestly, I really have no idea, but what I can tell you is, sup, you beautiful bastards? Hope you're having a fantastic peanut butter and cheese dragon day. My name's the Venti Bonka double shot of almond milk iced macchiato, man. And let's just jump into it. Actually, you know what? Before we can do anything, I am addicted to delicious fizzy drinks. $4 for this, dude? Like, oh my, how is this $4? All right, so as you guys know, I have a huge addiction to Monster. I actually really want more. I mean, look at that freaking marketing. I pull up and there's just Monster in every single window. So how could you possibly expect me to not want one every time I see that freaking sign? The signs are everywhere. Anyway, so today, oh crap, we're spilling it. We got the organic Rockstar. I mean, it says organic on it, so it's gotta be healthy, right? Like, I'm gonna live to be 500 years old if I drink 10 of these a day, easily. Anyways, enough flabberjabbing. We got the organic Babation Beano drink from Taco Gym Association and Learning Center, kind of, there's one nearby. Going in. Oh, oh, come on. I gotta finish this because I just paid $4 for it. Well, that sucks, but hey, I'll be taking all recommendations in the comments. If you got anything you want me to try on the video it's better than Monster, which I'm sure none of it actually is, let me know. Anyways, we gotta put our bike back, so I figured why not just park here in my neighbor's garage. You know, the one who leaves her garage door open 24/7 and blames me. She freaking blames me when there's a bunch of homeless men's trash laying in her garage the next morning. It doesn't make any freaking sense. Man, this is actually pretty nice. Like, I wish I could have a second garage. Unfortunately, they don't let you rent out 2 of them. That'd be sick. Either way, I'm really happy with the garage setup that I got. I got room for pretty much all my junk. And I still have a parking spot for the Papa Fry use. But there's nothing to worry about because this is not the end goal. The end goal is to get out of here and end up in a garage where we can have all of our buddies parked nice and close to each other. A place with the Prius can be safe from the mother elements of nature. And a place where every time my garage door closes, it's not as if we're saying bye to the Catenationalist for the very last time. Oh, hello, Bales. What did you do? You were playing with all your toys? You're making a big mess. Were you even playing with this chicken? Go get it. Get it, get it. Now give me that crocodile back. That's not actually for you. This is my crocodile. Go get it. Mrs. Bales, I got a very important question for you. Do you maybe possibly, by any chance, possibly want to go for a potty walk? Wanna go for a potty walk? You know what that means? All right, come on, let's go. Oh, what is that? Crap, I see something. It's worth it. It's worth getting a ticket for. We gotta go get it. What do we have here? Quick, go, go. There's cars. They're coming. They're coming. We got it. We got it. Bales, watch out, watch out, watch out. Move. Crap. The cars. Check it out, we got this American Tactical US Navy cap. Although it looks really nice and really clean, and I want to put it on my head right now, I think I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna wear it. That's right, I'm gonna stolen valor the fact that I was in the Navy when really I was in the Marine. Is that stolen valor? Like if you pretend you're in a different branch just to be a troll? I don't know. Ahoy there, sailor. What ship were you on? Arg, matey. I was on the USNS Quackenbarrel. I was the head chef. We had wasabi for every meal. It was great. My little brother got lice when we were younger and he had to like shave his head and he was in the shower getting his head scrubbed by my mom and I was like in there pointing at him like, haha, and he was crying. So that would be like my karma. I don't know if Bales believes in karma and like the zodiac signs. Bales, what do you think? She's like, dude, it's time to freaking walk. All right, so I ended up having to pay, oh, crap. We're losing important mail. I had to pay $12 for these 2 packages right here. I guess this wasn't enough. And the chick was like trying to yell at me and I think it was my fault. I didn't freaking send it. She was like, you need to contact whoever sent you these and tell them not to ever do that again because you're screwing us over. And I'm like, dude, I got random people sending me stuff. Leave me alone. So I ended up paying it, but I need to use this as kind of like a learning experience because it's never happened to me. I've never had to like pay the difference. But what she told me is that if people try to send me things and they don't put enough postage, it's gonna arrive at my P.O. box. It's just that I'm not gonna be able to get it unless I pay the difference. And although I'm super appreciative that anyone would take the time and money and energy out of their day to send me things, like that's awesome. I can't let it become a thing where I'm paying for it. So do me a favor, and if you do want to send me something, just take it to the desk in your post office and just like have them do the postage for you. Swipe your credit card, because I'm not gonna be able to keep doing that. If it happens again, I'm gonna have to let it get returned to the sender and they're gonna have to try again. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I came all the way to the lake, which is like 10 minutes from my house, and I forgot the Bales' prong collar. I know you guys hate the prong collar, but at the lake, there's just dogs everywhere, and the Bales, obviously, she wants to go up and she wants to sniff them. And I need that collar, dude. Otherwise, she's just gonna go crazy. All right, well, we ended up coming to our old apartment complex to to walk around because I didn't know where else to go. I decided to come here because a lot of times I actually really miss living here. It's brighter, there's a better view, but it's really the same thing. Either way, it's like right down the street, so I can come back here whenever I want to visit. Okay, so, oh, we got a Taco Jimothy James Association Bills, a $25 gift card to your favorite restaurant. Oh my God. Hi Kleb, enjoy your gift from Emma the fam. Emma, thank you so much. You sent in some stuff before too. The Bills are so thankful. All right, so Mr. Jason says he's getting surgery and he wants a pair of my used shoes. He also sent me a ton of stamps to send him the shoes. Oh man, I don't know, like Jason, I usually just wear one pair of shoes until they're like literally falling apart. Maybe I'll go take a look. I don't know, I just feel really bad because he sent me all these stamps now and I don't even know if I have anything to send him. All right, we got the coffee test. Coffee test, great. Coffee test, great. We got the bells. Thank you for reading all this nonsense. Coffee. I don't know. It's just so funny. I feel like that was the best way I could possibly take this test. Well, thanks so much to everyone who sent in mail. I'll tell you what, you guys are some funny beavers. All right, well, what do you guys think? Should we go see Bill? Hey Google, call Bill.
Calling Bill neighbor, mobile.
Okay. Who knows, maybe he's sleeping. Anyways, he missed out on some freaking Taco Gym Association and Learning Center. Everyone go let Bill know that he missed out on some Emma the Fam sponsored Taco Jimothy James Association and Learning Center. Hey, what's going on, Papa Jim?
Not much, what can I get for him?
Hey, do you have the Swedish fish taco still?
We do not have any kind of fish.
It's the year I was born. Oh, thanks. Everybody go tell Bill what he just missed out on. It's all right, Billy Bob. There's always next time, but I mean, oh man. You're missing out, Bill. All right, well, what's a little bit weird is I ordered 2 burritos and they only gave me 2 packets of fire sauce, dude. Like, how you supposed to work? I need a packet a bite, pretty much. But either way, dude, it's, oh, it's so good. Oh, an electric bike. I'm so tempted, but I'm not gonna do it. All right, so we have 2 more packages we have to open. Looks like they went with the old package inside the package ordeal. Whoa, what do we got here? What is this? What are these beers? Oh, I know what it is. It's for your snout. Just kidding, Biz. I'm kidding. You don't need a muzzle. You're a nice girl. So, we have some bracelets. Oh my, we got a bunch of little biscuits. And then we got some of the, oh, this used to be your treat, Bez. And then we got some peanut butter. Look, the Bez is trying to give me pause. She's like, please, give it all to me right now. And then it looks like we got this rawhide treat. Wow, this is freaking crazy. Check it out, Bez. Look what we got. We got an awesome portrait. Caleb and Bez. That's me and you, Bez. And it says 1960. Bez, this is the year we were born. It's got our favorite number everywhere. It's basically just a 69 festival with much love from Erica and Johnny. How you doing? Are you gonna sneeze? You look like you might sneeze. And then over here, we got this black bob, and it looks like she wants us to paint our own thing. Bez, you're gonna have to paint, because I don't know how to paint. Hey, Caleb and Sweet Bez, I hope you enjoy this small gift for a very special person, AKA you. Oh, and we got pants, and she even told us that they're pants. I thought that those were Winnebagos, didn't you? She's like, no, I thought those were yummies. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Erica, and everyone who sent us in mail. Look at her. She's so happy. She's like, oh, I got treats. We got a lot of awesome mail. Today was a great day. All right, DeLink came over because we're going to a party, and he can't even... He can't even lift this bad boy. This isn't what you're supposed to be doing with that. That's for like the easy stuff.
Really? Okay, I can.
Yeah, you can do that. You want to put on the normal amount and try?
Oh, yeah. I can't even fucking get this off the bar, dude.
Yeah, you can, dude. All right, dude. Yeah, you can't do it.
So I just laid down here on this little bench and I tried to lift this up. I couldn't do it, dude. I could lift it up just a little bit past this, but it would have been a disaster if it went any further than that. Kleb was talking shit and he's like, I do double that. Dude, like all day long.
I don't think I can. So the bar is 40 and there's 90 on each side. So that's 220.
220.
Well, I never do it because there's never anyone here to spot me.
Let's go.
Hang on, you don't have to touch it until I ask. All right, ready? Yeah. But you don't have to pull it, dude. I was doing it. What are you doing?
What are you talking about? You were about to die.
What, dude? No. I was gonna go slowly up. Are you fucking serious, dude? What are you talking about? Just do it again.
You were shivering and shit.
Yeah, dude, it's hard.
Fucking go again.
I don't know if I can.
You got it.
Like
come on, tough guy.
Only do 1 rep. Dude, why did you?
I won't touch it this time. You'll have to beg for me to touch it this time.
It's hard, dude. It's hard.
You'll be begging.
This is so stupid. Oh, I can't do it.
Beg. Beg.
Get big enough, dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, would have had it the first time, I probably wouldn't have. I used to be able to do that, dude, back in my core days, but now I'm just a little fucking...
Well, you eat Taco Bell every day.
I eat Taco Bell every day.
I went to Del Taco, I got 2 street tacos and a chicken ranch roll, and then I drove over to the Taco Bell and bought 2 soft tacos.
You're a combiner?
Yeah.
All right, Bez, well, I gotta go, okay? I'll see you later. I miss you. You're so cute. See you later, cute bears, bye. We're going to see Walter Iffick's favorite band. The link of the White Claw and it's in this stupid thing. It doesn't, it looks like you're drinking a seltzer, dude.
7-Up. I'm gonna buy that hat and send it to Walter. Walter wants the hat.
You don't have $30, dude.
Shit.
You only have 6.
What do I do?
What are you doing, dude? You gotta put it on, dude. Put on your new hat. What are you doing?
So we don't lose it.
He needs to put on his new hat.
Lose the hat.
Yo, our Uber's literally a red Prius, dude. What are you gonna do?
That's not even a... I don't want to get in it.
Come on, dude. We gotta go. We gotta go in it, dude. It's a red Prius.
This is a really great car.
This is so funny. Johnny bought us a Prius. Remember Delink came here, he's like, yo, I want some carbs. What are the carbs? And then he got lemon pepper. What a stupid idiot. All right, we're going to the next place. We're going to Buffalo Wild Wings. We're going to take the challenge. Dude, you just pulled up, dude. What are you doing? Johnny, dude, you pulled up on my, dude, what's he doing? He pulled up on, dude, that's the Kleb helmet, dude. It's the OG. Dude, what is this? Oh shit, it's you.
That's me, dude.
It's you, dude. Delink thinks it's a big deal if I just finish one of these.
It's a blazing.
Is it a big deal?
No, it's nothing, dude. Just go.
It's not a big deal. So why is everyone filming me?
Right. Easy money, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's nothing. It's not that spicy. I'll fucking eat like 50 of these. Big dog is unfazed.
I'm done, dude. I'm done.
That's it? Just one?
This wasn't even a game. I'm dying. What do I do?
Just in case. I'd be drinking that ranch.
Yeah,
Yo,
drink.
Big Dog, for all my 10 followers.
I'm fucked.
Oh no! Big Dog. Oh no! Do you guys want to go to like lunch tomorrow? And like, I'll buy you guys lunch if you like get it back to my truck. It's gonna be an early lunch though, like 10:30.
Dude, have you ever had lunch at 10:30? What are you gonna do, dude?
No, I'll be up. Yeah, I'll do
Oh
it.
shit, you're gonna do it?
Okay.
I'm not going. Have fun, guys.
You're not going?
Well, what if I'm sleeping, dude? I don't know what I'm gonna be doing.
You wake up late now. You used to be all like fucking 5:30 a.m.
Yeah, but what's the point?
You're mad about that.
Why? What'd you do?
You were mad when I bumped into your car.
Yeah, because you can't just do that.
Well, you can.
Yeah, you didn't. You assumed I was gonna sue you, but I was. But I didn't.
You weren't even in it.
Alright, this is dumb, dude. This is not gonna work tonight. We'll film tomorrow. Bye.